Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on Messenger Chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to efficiently manage your messages and remove content from your chat history. Step 1. Begin by opening Messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and conversations. Step 2. Open the conversation where the message or photo you want to delete is located. Step 3. Hover over the specific message or photo that you wish to remove within the chat. Step 4. Click on More to reveal additional options for managing the message or photo. Step 5. From the options that appear, select Remove and then confirm the deletion by clicking Remove once again. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message or photo on Messenger Chat on your PC. Removing messages helps keep your chat organized and ensures your conversations stay clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages on Messenger Chat on PC. Enjoy a more streamlined messaging experience by utilizing the message deletion feature in Messenger.